So welcome to billing type control part 2, wherein we will study about the controls available in the billing document type. Before it, in first part we had studied how we can open the billing type through VOFA T code. Then there is two method to open any billing document type. First one, go to the desired billing document type and just double click that billing document type. Controls will open. Second, that key we can select desired billing document type and click on this magnifier details, so it will result in by opening the controls of billing document type. Now we have to study in this part 2 about the controls and the usage of all the fields in billing document types. Okay, so let us start. Already I had told this billing document type is F2. We have taken an example. So F2 is nothing, just a code for billing type. Okay, now but its full name is invoice. Okay, you can give any name. This is F2 and invoice given by SAP itself. Normally when we are working for any company, we are doing implementation, or we are making any change request. What is implementation, what is change request? I hope you know. If you are not knowing, I have made video on that also, you can check that. And so I was saying ki billing document type code F2 and billing document type description, these are two fields. Okay, so this is a code and naming only. And after that, third field in this screen is created by. What is created by? Like this invoice, for which code is F2 and name is invoice, is being created by whom in this system? By whom in this system? So it is written here SAP. So actually this is a standard one. That's why it is being created by SAP. Why I'm saying standard one? Actually there is two type of customizations from functional side. One is standard one, second is the customizations. Customizations means by copying existing standard any billing. So for example, billing document type, if I'm making this as ZF2, what I'm trying to say, for example, F2 is the standard invoice. Now in any company I want to create a new billing document type, but that should work exactly like F2. Only change is that for example, invoice list type here, which is LR in standard, I want different one. Okay, so SAP says ki don't change anything in my document type. Okay, my document type, my standard one. If you want the same, no problem, you can copy it. Okay, so what is copy it, we will discuss later when we will do the customizations in SAP screen itself. Okay, in SAP GUI, then we will see key what is exactly copying the standard one and all. Here just you have to understand that if you are creating any customized billing document type, then you can copy this one, and then all the fields will be editable. And now as per requirement, as I said earlier, that only change we want key billing instead of invoice list type LR, business or company for which you are doing the implementation, they want it should be for example ZLR, then that changes can be done. So that is a part of what is required by the business, how you will do that thing I was telling. Okay, so let us come again on the topic where we were looking ki what is created by here, what is the usage of this field. So this is nothing to be done from our as a as a SD consultant, this will be automatically coming key by whom it is created. What is SAP here? SAP is user ID. Okay, for example, you are working in SAP. Okay, you are a functional consultant. Then, as I have said in earlier video, that you have to log in with your user ID and password, right? So this is the user ID only. Now, for example, your name is Ram. Okay, so and to get it the access for SAP, basis team has to create user ID and password for you. Then that user ID will be captured here. If they are they have created for RAM with user ID name as for example XYZ, then created by XYZ will be written here. Okay. Now, so I hope it's created by is clear. Second thing is that key what is number system. So see, you can see it is highlighted, its background is highlighted little more in comparison of other background, right? You can see here little light blue color is there, and but it is a highlighted one. I mean, I want to tell that the highlighted one, more highlighted one is the segment in this screen. Okay, in this screen segment. So there are how many segments in this screen? One is number system, right? And it's a kind of above one is kind of you can say till here it is what, it is header information, second is number system information, third is in a general control, fourth one you can see the cancellation one, right? So this screen has been divided into different type of section, means type of fields, different group of fields. Okay, so in number system there is number range internal assignment. INT is written here, right? INT means internal, number range internal assignment. What is exactly this number range internal assignment? If you will see here, so uh, number, for example, as I had told earlier also, ki you are working in for example, you are ordering, actually you are ordering in Amazon or anywhere, even you go on any shop, you order something, you purchase something, then in return you get invoice, right? Then that invoice is having some invoice number, like in simple general store also you will get a slip, like you have purchased X material, Y material, this is the price, this is the uh, uh, weight, or these details are written. So that document exactly is what your invoice. So how means on a shop who is selling the products in a day, they are making multiple invoices for multiple customers, right? So in that case, how they will identify ki which one is for you, which one is for another one? They are not knowing the every name, every customer's name, right? Then for them, identifier is something else. What is identifier? They are identifying it by a number, like billing number. Okay, so that, so in SAP also, if you are creating any billing, then that billing is to be identified by some identification number. That identification number is billing number. So this number range internal assignment terminology itself says कि you don't have to do anything while you are creating the billing for the customer. The invoice number or billing number will automatically generate. So how automatically gets generated? It is from here. Now, like here it is written 19. So what is the usage of this 19? We'll go more in the detail in section of number range, then I will detail that one. But in general term, what is usage of this number range internal assignment? I hope you have understood. That is, I am repeating again, that is, this number range internal assignment helps to give unique number to your invoices which you are creating for customer. Okay, now second section is internal number increment. What is this one? For this, I have written in little detail. So let us go to next slide. Here already I have told what is what usage of created by this screen, this field. Then number in internal assignment. See, when we are creating any billing, document is getting saved with VF01 T code, right? Then T code means, I hope you are knowing, VFC with help of VF01 you can enter into a screen where you can create the billing for customer actually. Okay, so once all the details like what material customer requires, how many quantities for that material is required, then after filling these details, billing can be saved. Okay, once you are saving, then unique billing number is given with the help of this number range. That's what I told. Okay, let us come to the item number increment. Okay, let us take one example. There is one customer, his name is Ram. He is coming to a shop. I'm taking example of shop in general terms so that everyone can understand easily. Okay, one customer named Ram came to one general store, for example. That general store is giving, as per customer order, two items to the customer. For example, first item is the soap, second is detergent. Then in that case, they are mentioning in the sequence, right? Sequence number one, detergent. Sequence number two, for example, uh, bar. Okay, detergent bar. First one is detergent powder. For example, first is detergent powder, second is detergent bar. Then this sequencing can be done in SAP like from 1, 2, 3, 4, that way sequencing can be done. But it is also possible कि it can be done like with some range, okay, gap range. For example, instead of 1, 2, serial number 2, we are giving serial number 10 detergent, serial number 2 powder, serial number 20 powder. Why we are doing this, we will study that in more details in other videos. Okay, but this field is usage for that only. Ki instead of sequencing from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can sequence 10, 20, 30. For that I have written here, means SAP has given the option here 10. So if 10 is written, it means ki first item will be 10. Okay, second will be, then with a gap of 10 again 20, then third one for example the third item also customer is ordering, then that is 30. Okay, so this is use of item number increment. Now what is the next field? This is the ST document category. See, why ST document category is required? You know that in SAP or anywhere in the business where business is going on, especially for sales, it start with some documents. Like if you are going, for example, you are going to any showroom where you are want to purchase a car, okay? Then first of all, what you will do, you will make some inquiry, right? Ki what is in your car and I need this facility, is it in this or not? So all the inquiry which you are taking, okay, from that agency, they will keep those details in a document that is called inquiry, for example. Okay, next you will say, okay, I like this car, I want to purchase, so what will be the cost, what you are offering me? Then for that they will give you some price. Okay, so for that also they are keeping in record with a document, okay, that is quotation. Now suppose you are agreeing on that quotation, on that price, now you want to purchase, so you will get the order. So that information they will also record in a document that is being called order in SAP. O to C process. Okay, now order is being created. Now you want, okay, deliver it to me. Okay, I will pay for it. So for that in SAP they will create, means they will create two documents. One will be delivery document. Okay, second will be billing document. Okay, this billing, where billing, you know now very well that this is the invoice only. Okay, so this is all the documents here when we are studying order to cash process. Okay, which is in sales and distribution module. Okay, so how this entire, see, these all are what, documents only. So how SAP identify this is the inquiry document, this is the quotation document, this is the order document, this is the delivery document, and this is the billing document? Do you know? To identify this ST document category is being used. Okay, for example, here M is being used. M is the code for invoice. This is the identifier key. This is billing document. What are other options? Like I said, it will be can be inquiry, it can be quotation, it can be order, it can be delivery, it can be billing. Like you can see here, M is written here. How M has been come here? SAP has given multiple options. SD document category you can see here. Okay, M is being used for invoice. Okay, if there would have been any order, then C is the option. If there would have been inquiry, then A is the option. So whatever SD document category is being entered here, that will be used as identifier that this document is what. Either it is inquiry, it is, or it is order, or it is delivery. Okay, what is for delivery? C. This is a J. These are the important information. This is very important field. You should know as a consultant what is inquiries SD document category, what is order document category, what is delivery document category, what is invoice document category, what is in credit memo request document category. This is very important. If you will save this screenshot with you, it will help you a lot. Now after that, you can see there is one checkbox, posting block. Okay, so this is the posting block checkbox. How it is useful? Okay, what is the function of this field? You can say in SAP terminology what is control of this field. Posting block. Posting block, actually how it helps? Posting block, like this is the invoice document, right? If you are creating any invoice document, or then of course this is being created to get the amount from customer, right? This is legal document which is being shared with the customer as tax invoice, right? So this billing amount, for example, customer has purchased of 100 rupees products. Okay, 100 INR product. Now this is being mentioned in billing document, right? Now apart from mentioning here, you want to take it in the accounting book also, right? Then automatically from this billing, accounting document can be created in SAP. Or if you want, automatically should not be created, then that is the option, that is also option available in SAP. Those options is available with this posting block. You can see this posting block checkbox is blank, means it has not been checked. If it would have been checked, then in that case this box would look like the static. Okay, static check. That is the way a check is being marked in posting block or any field where it check is there. Okay, it's a kind of okay, right? So usage of posting block, I'm summarizing here, key, if it is blank, it means key, see I have written here, if it is checked, then automatic accounting document will not be posted as per its name, posting block, right? If it is checked, it means ki we are blocking the automatic posting. That's what it is saying. It is checked, then automatic accounting document will not post. It means ki billing is created but accounting will not be created. You have to manually uh, post the accounting. There is a procedure. There is you will study in further videos. There is T code VF02. In that you have to enter the billing document. Then you can release. There is release flag. Then you can click on that. Then only accounting document will be posted. But if you have not checked it, okay, then it means you don't want the posting has to be blocked. Then in that case, invoice will get automatically posted to accounting book. Okay, it means accounting document, one more document, accounting document will be created. Now there is difference between the billing and accounting. Billing is ST document and accounting is FI document. ST means sales and distribution document and accounting is financial. FI means financial document. Okay, so there are other fields also like transaction group, billing category, document type, negative posting, invoice list type, and cancellation billing type. These are other fields which is very important in this billing document type control. We will study that in third part of billing type control. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. If there is any doubt, you can post in comment, and as well as you can see this video multiple times. This is very important, very informative things are there in this fields, which is control of billing document types. It will be very useful as a functional consultant. So I request, if you have not understood, watch this video multiple times so that you can get more hold on this control of billing document type. Okay, thanks for giving your time. Thanks for watching this video. For further video, please stay tuned to channel, and as well as to understand more and further of this control, please watch next video which is part 3 of billing type. Thank you very much.